Cranberry juice, can't go wrong. Just got home from work, starving. I need a quick snack. We're gonna make a toasted sandwich. I'm gonna show you how to do it. See you soon. What I've done here is I've just grabbed what's in the fridge, and the pineapple, the ham. I've got some pepper jack cheese. Definitely got to have the onion, and I've got some spinach. So usually I'll have a tomato in the fridge, but this time I do not. That's okay. We're gonna wing it. We're gonna get away with it. So we're gonna put all this together. So we're gonna make a ham, cheese, and pineapple. Sister's favorite. I'm making that one. And the other one we're gonna do a onion, ham, spinach, and cheese. So we'll see how that turns out. We'll give it a taste. So here we go. So what I've done is I've cooked one side of the bread, and we're gonna flip it over. Now you can throw some butter on if you like, but take it or leave it. So right now I'm starving, so let's make this efficient and cook it as soon as possible. So what are we gonna do here? Let's throw on the onion. I've just cut some onion up here, nothing too fancy. Yep. Fingers aren't really made for this sort of stuff, but it doesn't matter. Then we're going to throw on the ham. What is this? It's like a honey ham. Like any ham is going to be fine. Well, it's going to taste good anyway. Throw a couple of slices of that on. Then we're going to throw on some pineapple for this one. Then we'll throw on, I got some pepper jack cheese there. Throw that on like that. Good to go. This one, as I said, I don't have any tomato in the fridge, so we're going to do the spinach. This will come out alright. The spinach, ham, onion. Oh, look at that, I'm making a complete debacle of that one. So throw it on. There we go. And then we'll throw on the cheese. And then we're going to throw that back on the tray, back in the oven. Alright. Oh yeah. Just in time. Number one, ham, cheese and pineapple. Number two, ham, onion and spinach, cheese. Throw that there. Now we'll go on to the ham, cheese, onion and spinach. Had to think about that one. Oh yeah. This is what I love about these type of snacks. They cook that fast, they taste good, and fill the spot. So these type of snacks are so easy, anyone can do it. Like if I can do it, anyone can do it. But the beauty about these is, I must admit, when I have made these with friends or family gatherings, they bring their kids, the kids go crazy. So I think this one is a winner for your kids. But basically anyone out there is looking for a quick snack. So I hope you enjoyed these. But like I said, you can throw anything on these and get creative. It's endless. Ketchup, pepper, hot sauce, cranberry juice, simple, easy, can't go wrong. So on that note, I'm going to leave you with that so I can start making some dinner. Make sure you look after yourselves and each other. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button or the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.